Hello friends, welcome to U Infotech channel. Okay, so in this session I would like to explain conditional statements. Okay, conditional statements. For conditional statements, we have if, else, if else if. Okay, and we have a switch condition. Switch condition is it. For if condition, okay, so this conditional statements is performed. Okay, it is used to perform different types of action, so based upon the different types of conditions. Okay, so it perform different types of action based upon the different types of conditions. Okay, so we can specify if here. Okay, use if. Okay, to specify a block. Okay, to specify a block of code to be executed. Okay, so if specified condition is true. Okay, if condition is true, then if block executed. If condition is false, then else block getting executed. Okay, the switch statement, it is used to specify many alternative blocks, okay, based upon the code to be executed. Okay, so let me take here. Okay, so let me take Visual Studio here, and first we'll go with this if conditions, conditional statements. Conditional statements.html. Conditional statements. Let me take here on h1. Conditional statements. Style h1. Background dark magneto. Color white. Padding 20 pixels. Right click, open in default browser. Okay, for conditional statements, so first we'll write the syntax like this. Script. Okay, so conditional statements, we have if. Okay, so here we'll mention expression. If expression is true, then enter into the block. So the if block getting executed here. Statement 1, and if it is not, if condition is false. Okay, so if condition is false, then it will print this else block here. Statement 2. Like we can make here conditional statements. For conditional statements, so we have if else if, okay, and else if, and we have switch condition is here. Okay, first we'll go look at it if else. Okay, so let me take an example. First I'll print this if condition here. Okay, for if condition, if, okay, so let me take let hover equal to, okay, 6. Okay, so I may take here hover less than 12. Okay, then I want to print some message. Okay, like console.log, say good morning, say good morning. just reload this, open in default browser, right click, go to this inspect, go to this console, say good morning. Okay, now the else block is completed. So if it is false, okay, now I'll print this message, console.log, say good afternoon, good afternoon. May take your 16 else block. So go to this, reload this page, say good afternoon, like else block is condition, else block is printed. Okay, so now I want to write else if, okay, and if condition and else block. See, let me take one more example. Let let time equal to, okay, let time equal to 9 p.m. Okay, so if time greater than 10, so if time less than 10, okay, so time is less than 10 now. So I want to print some message here. Okay, console.log, hello good morning, hello good morning. Else, sorry, I'm taking here else if, okay, else if time equal to less than or equal to 9, okay, now it's time to take breakfast. So let me take here, let me make it this, it time to take breakfast, else, now I need to print some else block, else let me print here console.log, hello good evening. Okay, I want to print this message. Now the time is let, okay, time is 9 here now. So it will print this condition is true, the if block getting executed. So expected output, hello good morning, it time to take a breakfast. Okay, so it will print only hello good morning. Okay, and it, the condition is true, right, then it will exist from the loop itself. Okay, now I'm taking here, I'm just make it to greater than here. Now just reload this page. So now it will go for else if condition and it time to take breakfast. Okay, so like the if conditions will be work and if else conditions also work like this. Okay, so that is if conditions. Next we'll go for the switch conditions here. For switch condition, if else if, now coming to here switch condition. So switch conditions have multiple blocks here. Okay, switch can execute it like so this is the syntax for creating this switch. Okay, so for switch, so here we can write expression. Okay, so inside of this let me print your case X. Okay, and we use a break to break this code here. Okay, and case Y break the code, and at last we have a default condition as well. Okay, so like we have this many conditions available in switch conditions. So similarly, let me take one example for the string conditions. So I want to print here I want to print the today. Okay, so I need to know this today's week of the day. Okay, so for this trying to create your h2. Okay, so I'm taking your id equal to demo. Now so I want to access this here. Okay, so let me take let day. Okay, so what day it is, I want to print using the switch condition. Switch. Okay, so you know how to create a data object here. So new date. So this is a new date. Okay, dot I want to get the day here. Get day. Okay, this is an expression I have. So for this expression, create here case statement, case 0. Okay, and day equal to, so first is Sunday. Okay, so if the day equal to Sunday, you break the loop here, break the case. Okay, now case 1 for case 1, day equal to Monday. Okay, so if day equal to Monday, again break this loop here. Okay, now similarly let me create a case 2, day equal to Tuesday. Case 3 equal to case 3, day equal to Thursday. Break case 4 equal to day equal to Friday. Now we'll break this. Okay, next case 5 equal to day Saturday. Day equal to Saturday. Again it should break here. Okay, so next case 6 equal to Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday. Thursday. So here I'm taking Wednesday, and day equal to, so day equal to Saturday. Day equal to Friday. So let me take your break condition. And next you can take a default. Okay, for default default console.log. Please unable to find which day it is. Okay, like I'll mention here. Okay, now at last, okay, so I want to print some message for this document dot get element by id. So using this demo, okay, so here I'm taking here inner HTML, okay, and I want to print some message here. Today is okay, let me print here day here. When I go to this browser, just reload this page. Now setting inner HTML ID. Okay, so today is Friday. Okay, so like we can use this switch conditions. So that's about the conditional statements in JavaScript.